Okay, I'm speechless. How do we describe all this vegetable?
Guys, this is abundance of vegetables. I am speechless. I don't even know what to say. This is amazing.
How many khodus did we harvest?
1, 2. Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Today is the 10th of September 2023 and here in London we're in the middle of a heat wave. It's been extremely hot the past few days and looking around my garden we have abundance of vegetables to harvest. So without further ado, let's start harvesting. Guys, take a look at this khodu. This is absolutely amazing. This is our biggest khodu of 2023. This is well over 10 kg. This is very heavy. We decided we're going to keep this khodu for seeds, so we're not going to harvest it today. But this is amazing. Wow, look at this.
Oh, there's plenty on here. Okay, should I harvest this one or are you going to harvest this?
Dad, I think you might as well just harvest it since you're here.
Alright, so I'm going to... Okay, it's one here and I'm going to harvest this one here. This one, quite difficult. Oh, this is a big one. Smells fresh.
Dad, look at the tomatoes behind you.
Tomatoes, beautiful. Well, I'm here. Should I harvest the tomatoes?
Yes.
I need something. Look at them. Oh, they look amazingly beautiful.
That's a nice bunch, Dad.
Yes. Oh, that looks nice.
Guys, these tomatoes look beautiful, but I don't think I'm going to harvest any more tomatoes. We already have plenty of them, so we're just going to leave these on the plant for a little longer.
I think you should harvest all the big giants behind you.
Yes.
Okay.
There's so many here to
So
harvest.
you have got two beautiful khodus to harvest here, and this long khodu, and the one behind you. I think we should leave this for seed.
Yeah.
Okay. And look at this thing. I think I should harvest the zinger first.
I'm really excited to harvest the zinger. I think this is our first or second zinger of the year. Precious. I think I'm going to harvest these two first. There. And this one next.
That's a huge one.
Oh, look at that. Let me put this here. And Dad, this khodu that we're leaving for seeds is so long. Look at it. It's really tall, isn't it?
It's very tall, yes.
Or the apple gourds.
Give this to me.
Yeah.
Look at the size of this thing. This is going to be our biggest Kerala of 2023. Look at the size.
Looks so nice.
Yeah? Do you want to harvest this one?
And I think there's one over
And
here.
there are plenty, Akib. Look. Oh,
This one's also very big.
this is big. And this one, should we leave this on the plant?
Yeah, I think we should leave this. It'll grow
Yeah,
bigger.
go bigger here. This one also will grow big, yeah?
Yeah.
So find all the big ones.
Oh,
Akib.
I found another big one, Dad.
This one.
Yeah.
One.
We'll harvest this.
Harvest this one.
I found another big one over here. Oh, there's one more over here. This one's big as well.
Any more?
Yes, one more over there.
All right. Oh, that's a big one there.
Yeah, I'm
We'll
gonna
harvest that one. And this is a big one here, look. Harvest this one. Give it to me. Oh, wow. We need more tray, Akib.
Is there any more?
Yeah, this is a big one here.
I found another.
Oh, that's ripened. So cut this one. We can keep this one for seed. So just cut this one.
Let me get the other one.
This there.
Wow. Look at this.
Yes. So this one, it's gone old. So we'll keep this one for seeds. Yeah.
Yeah.
There should be more here. Look, there's plenty. There's plenty. Bitter gourd. Oh, there's another one. There's a big one here. Look.
How did
Okay,
we miss
look,
that
look.
one out?
There's a big one here.
How did I miss this one out?
They tend to hide behind their leaves.
Yes. They love hiding.
Oh, good.
All of these ones are ready for
Let's
harvest.
discard them. Oh, that looks really nice.
Oh, one fell off. They look really nice, don't they?
Yeah, they look amazing. Beautiful. Alright, put the tomatoes with the others. We need bigger tray.
I'm just gonna cut this one. It's growing into a funny shape.
This is a beautiful looking zinga.
Zinga, yeah. Oh.
And look at this amazing hot chilies. Oh, look at that. We need extra people to help us. We need a few more helpers, Akib, to harvest all this beautiful Carolina Reaper, Trinidad Scorpion, Naga chilies,
Oh wow, look at these.
habaneros. Oh, look at this chocolate habanero. So beautiful. Pick that up, Akib. Oh, look at this beautiful chocolate habanero. Amazing.
Dad, have you tried these chilies?
Yes, they're amazingly beautiful. They taste nice. It's got beautiful fragrance to it. Look at them. Okay, Akib. More to harvest, come on. Don't get tired now. Oh, look. Look at these chilies.
Oh wow. It's more chilies than leaves on this plant. Nice.
All right.
ones.
Look at this big boy. Look at this big boy, Akib.
This is amazing. This
You want to harvest this one?
Yeah, of course. Dad. This one's amazing, Dad, isn't it?
And how about this aubergine? Alright, give me that. When you harvest the aubergine. Okay, look at this. This is Bangladeshi shosha. Oh, beautiful. And I believe we have few more on the plant. Oh, this is beautiful. And I think there are a few more, but let's move on to something else.
More hod over
So
here.
we're getting more hodus. And more tomatoes here. More tomatoes. More chilies.
More snake gourd.
Snake gourd. Okay, I want you to harvest all those beautiful peppers.
Bell peppers.
Now, this is a beautiful naga chili plant. Look at this naga chilies. This is known as the Bangladeshi Khala Naga. They look amazingly beautiful. Oh, I'm going to harvest this one. Akil. Look at the size of this long aubergine. Akil.
Wow.
You want to harvest this one?
that, Dad? Yeah.
Yes. Oh, this is beautiful. Now those peppers, they look nice. Okay, pick that one up.
Move that one.
Beautiful looking bell peppers. Oh, there's so many.
Dad, take those ones.
Me too. Okay, I'm speechless. How do we describe all this vegetable?
Guys, this is abundance of vegetables. I am speechless. I don't even know what to say. This is amazing.
How many hodus did we harvest?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hodus
and
today.
you have 4 or 5 left on the plant.
Yeah.
Okay, and we have beautiful looking tomatoes. And we have plenty more tomatoes. I think we could harvest tomato for the next 1 month.
Yeah.
And bitter gourd. Look at them. Look at them. Beautiful bitter gourd.
And we had our first harvest of uri. These uris
I'm
look
really
amazing.
looking forward to eating this with my khoimas. I love them with my khoimas. Bell peppers. Beautiful looking bell peppers. Aubergines, long bangan, round bangan,
And-
white casper.
And we can't forget the zinger. This is amazing.
We haven't had a great season for zingers, but I can't complain too much. We harvested 3 zingers today, and they look beautiful.
Yes, they do.
And this shoshas, we intentionally left them on the plant to ripen so that we can eat fish curries with them. They're nice. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with friends and family. Try to inspire them to grow their own fruits and vegetables.
As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.
Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, we have to take them all back inside now.
That's going to be an extra effort, Dad, to take them all inside.
Yes. All right, I'll carry this tray. You can carry all the hodus.
Oh yeah, I'll carry the hodus, yeah.
All right.
Let me take this big one.